You're walking down a street in a city you've never visited. You turn a corner, see a cat sitting on a bright red mailbox, and suddenly, it hits you. A wave of eerie, bone-chilling familiarity. You know this moment. You even know that in 3 seconds, a cyclist with a yellow helmet is going to ride past. But that's impossible. You've never been here. You don't even like cats. Welcome to the phenomenon of déjà vu, French for already seen.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
For centuries, people thought it was proof of past lives or a glitch in the matrix. But the truth is happening inside the folds of your temporal lobe. It's not a message from the future. It's a biological short circuit. I'm Kale, and today we're going to find out why your brain is trying to trick you. To understand déjà vu, we first need to look at how your brain files memories. Normally, your brain is a world-class librarian. When you experience something new, it goes through 2 main departments, the rhinal cortex and the hippocampus. In a perfect world, these work in sync. You see a friend, the rhinal cortex says familiar, and the hippocampus pulls the file. That's Dave. But déjà vu happens when there is a split-second delay. The librarian hits the familiar stamp before the file has even been opened. Your brain is essentially screaming, "I've seen this," but when it looks for the proof, the folder is empty. It's a temporary misfire. Another explanation is the Gestalt familiarity hypothesis, often called the hologram theory. Your brain only needs a fragment to recognize a scene. Let's say years ago, you visited a doctor's office with a specific layout, a blue chair on the left, a tall plant, and a desk in the middle. Years later, you walk into a coffee shop. The details are different, but the geometry is identical. Your brain feels the echo of the old map. Then there's the double-take theory. This happens when your brain takes an information but is slightly distracted, like talking on the phone. Because your brain saw it a fraction of a second ago, the second conscious look feels like a memory. You're remembering half a second ago. Interestingly, not everyone experiences it equally. Research shows it is most common in people aged 15 to 25. Our brains get better at spotting errors as we age. It's also linked to stress and fatigue. When you're exhausted, your neurons start firing out of sync. High levels of dopamine also play a role. Déjà vu is a reminder that our perception of reality is fragile. It proves we're mostly just exploring the vast, messy library of our own minds. Tell me your weirdest stories in the comments. I've got a feeling I've read them before. I'm Kale, and I'll see you in the next. Wait, didn't I say that?
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.